Welcome to this breathwork session to break procrastination loops. In today's practice, we will interrupt avoidant patterns and recenter your focus with energizing, rhythmic breathwork. If you've been feeling stuck, this session is designed to help reset your mind and body, breaking the cycle of procrastination and moving you into action. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, on a cushion, or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Keep your spine straight and your shoulders relaxed. Rest your hands gently on your knees or in your lap. Gently close your eyes. Let's begin by grounding with a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air. Hold the breath for just a moment. Then slowly exhale through your nose, releasing any tension or stress. Continue this pattern of deep breaths for a few rounds. Inhale deeply, hold for a second, and exhale fully. As you breathe, feel your body becoming more centered and present in the moment. Allow your mind to settle into this space of focus. Now we'll start the rhythmic breathwork that will help break through procrastination loops. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Exhale forcefully through your mouth for a count of 4. This is a rhythmic breath that will energize your system. Focus on your breath and feel the momentum building in your body. Keep a steady rhythm, in for 4, out for 4. Now let go of the counting. Return to a natural breath. Let your body absorb the energy you've just created. Let's move now into box breathing, a powerful technique to reset your mind and sharpen your focus. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts, and hold the exhale for 4 counts. Let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Continue this pattern, maintaining steady, controlled breath. Release the box breath pattern now and return to relaxed, natural breathing. Now we'll awaken your inner fire with a short round of breath of fire, a rapid, energizing breath to help shake off procrastination and bring you into action. This breath is powered by strong exhales through the nose, allowing the inhale to come passively. Focus on short, sharp exhalations, about 2 or 3 per second. Your belly should pump slightly with each exhale. Begin now sharp exhales through the nose. Keep the breath light and rhythmic. Feel the energy building as you clear away mental clutter. Continue for a few rounds. Now stop. Let your breathing return to normal. Take a few more breaths, expanding with each inhale and deepening with each exhale. Bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Feel the ground beneath you, the space around you, and the energy within you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel, energized, focused, and present. You're now equipped with a tool to break any avoidance loops and step into your power. Carry this renewed focus with you as you continue through your day.